Hey Mike, you heard about that recent earthquake just a few miles away from here? Heard that destroyed a burger shop over there.
Yep, I have. Sad to see that burger shotgun. I wanted to try one of their burgers. Was it called Big B's Burgers? I heard the owner got arrested a few months ago.
Arrested for what?
I have a feeling I'll be busted by the higher-ups if I tell you why.
Fair point. After all, these higher-ups can be Karens.
You know I'm right next to you, right?
Shit, boss, don't scare me like that.
Yeah, maybe don't call us Karens and we won't pop up like the bogeyman. Sam, go check the reactor stat.
Roger that, sir. Oh dear God, no. Don't tell me this thing's gonna blow. No, you can't be fucking serious.
No, we can't buy like this. Travis, notify the public now.
Sirens are active and blaring, Mike. Notifying emergency management now.
Feels like magic. Now I believe I can have it. Ooh, ooh, tell me, all of my wishes came true.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Utah State Emergency Management Division, Techron Industries. A general emergency has been declared due to the meltdown of Units 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the Techron Industries nuclear research plant's reactors. All residents 50 miles away from the plant are to evacuate now. If you hear sirens, you are in the blast zone, and you are to leave now.